Okay. Go, Mama Sir. Kawan ako daw. Okay, let's give them a round of applause, please. Okay, this time, i-level up na to. Sa moderate na ta. So, may next. Nose. Okay, ang lips ni Sir nasa nose ni Ma'am. Okay? Ang lips ni Sir nasa nose ni Ma'am. In 10 seconds. Let's go, Sir, now. Go. Sir Alvin and Ma'am Anthony. Okay, everybody, let's go to 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 7, 8, sorry, wag mo pang elementary. 9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Okay, so this time we are on the most exciting part. So nana sa pinaka-hard or the difficult stage of our game. So, kung sama na itong action nila, Ma'am Axel and Sir Card. Okay, kaya smack. Smack lang. Pero ang smack ninyo kay 20 seconds daw, Ma'am. Dili na smack. Okay, smack lang. Everyone, let's go to 3, 2, 1, go! There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give them a round of applause, please.